want to ask you very specifically. You've been in the Bharatiya Janata Party for quite some years now, and you've mentioned some of your seniors who have led the party. Is there anything substantially that the parties have done, at least your party, to ensure that women in the party fold feel safe, they do not feel subjected to harassment? Because only when they feel safe in their organization can they expect to bring a change outside.
Absolutely. And I think that is a very valid question. And I'm also going to give it a little legal twist, right? Now, we have a law in India about sexual harassment at the workplace, which protects women. Unfortunately, political parties and their offices are not considered workplaces. So whether it is a political party or a woman has gone to a rally or a road show, so on and so forth. So all these places do not classify legally, mind you, legally, as a workplace. And that is why the kind of protection that is extended to women who are political workers is much lesser compared to a woman who is a part of any other organization, for example, if she's working in
Okay, just a quick query. God forbid if you were to face a situation where you feel that you are being harassed just for being a woman.
Yes.
In your party fold or in an event which is a political program.
Yes.
What recourse do you have?
I was only giving,
so what recourse do you have?
I was only giving a legal backdrop to a situation which exists in all parties. However, our party has now got an internal mechanism of complaints of this nature. There is a committee where you can take your complaints to and they will be dealt with. I would also like to mention here that a lot of the time, see, the thing is, no, things are done when men think they can get away with it. A deterrent, a swift punishment coming from the highest echelons of your party's leadership is going to put a full stop to it time and time again. I know the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson talked of certain things, mentioning our Honorable Prime Minister, but I think this is the problem, right? So even when you are a show like yours today, Smitaji, which is apolitical in nature, where women are supposed to come together and call out every bit of misogyny in every part, in every political party, we are unable to do so. And that is where women need to unite, no matter which party you come from. You are not supposed to be a part of people who are passing sexist comments. See, a lot of the time, these comments are not coming strictly from men. If you see online also and if you see in person also, sometimes women pass remarks which are unhealthy, which are abusive in nature, which are misogynistic and sexist in nature. Remarks on the way a woman dresses, on the way she's done her makeup or her hair. I think that needs to very strictly stop. And of course, internal party mechanisms, if they are not strong in any other political party, they need to strengthen it. In my party, thankfully, they are strong, they are well in place, and we have a very available committee.